Spacemax, and we already have interior house partly, and we wanted to complete it and reuse existing stuffs and give a new look to it. So it was difficult to find an interior for that, but luckily we found Spacemax, and my initial discussion with Manisha went great because I was looking for someone who can with whom I can feel the vibe matches, and that's exactly happened. And in a click, I thought that they would be good for us. And one USP they have, they provide us a lot of solutions for
utilize the space,
utilizing the space.
and how we can use the existing furniture and everything.
Yeah, so that was something we were looking for, and so we took around I think 2 months, and they were on time, punctual, and it was easy to connect and communicate as she understood and our requirements, what we wanted, what are our choices, and what we like, what we don't like. So that initial stage was quite easier, I would say. And implementation wise, I would say the work was quite neat and clean. And finally, I think the outcome that we have, we really love it.
Really loved it, yeah.
Yes, so we are very much happy. So I think it was a great experience.
Great
working
experience,
with
and thank you, Spacemax.
Thank you so much.